here looking at the wild gate. Now, if you see here in there, he's crouching over. Now, you gotta be real quiet because you see he's tearing forward. Now, over there, his main diet is bark and gay people. So, what he does is, if you touch him, he reacts in a hostile way. So, don't touch him. Alright.
Hey, who was that?
No one over here, mate. Okay, now we're going to touch him one more time. Now, this is very dangerous. Now, he's getting aggressive in here. Make sure you have a long stick. Oh, there he goes. Alright. I might. There! Now he's charging. There he goes. Now he's gonna get up here. Okay, now the way he mates is he makes a call like this. I couldn't do it.
Come on, Santino, you got this.
You gotta edit this, and every time we laugh, put it at the end.
Come on.
I almost swallowed my gum.